Hi friends, before watching this video, please like my video, subscribe it and press the bell icon for more videos. Now, today we are solving the examples on property of angle bisector theorem and property of intersects made by three parallel lines as well as PPT and converse of PPT. So example number 3 in problem set 1.2. First of all, reading that example carefully. One time read, then make parts. What is given in, what to find and what we have to use. In triangle MNP, NQ is bisector of angle N. If MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7, MQ is equal to 2.5, then find QP. This is the way to read. Read by mind, find out what is given. Figure also given. In triangle MNP is this M and P. What is given? NQ is bisector of angle N. NQ is bisector of angle N. Is this angle? This is the bisector. So, what is the property of bisector? The angle divides equally. Bisector divides the given angle equally. We suppose angle M and P is 60 degree. Then it makes MNQ 30 degree and angle QNP 30 degree. That 30 degree is equal. Now, NQ is bisector in any triangle given. Then, which theorem we have to use? Property of angle bisector theorem. Now, given part is MQ is equal to 2.5, MN is 5, PN is 7, and you have to find QP only. So, by using property of angle bisector theorem, we can solve this problem. First, write in triangle MNP. NQ is bisector of angle N. This given is writing very important. Therefore, by property of angle bisector theorem. By property of angle bisector theorem. What is the property? See, this is the bisector. Then take two parts of this triangle. This one part and this is downside another part. So, upside part consider numerator and downside part consider denominator. This is the easy way to solve this problem. So, first of all, we are considering sides. This side divided by this side. This side is in numerator's place. This side is in denominator's place. So Mn upon Pn is equal to. Now this bisector divides the opposite side in this ratio M2 and QP. So MQ is in numerator's place and QP is in denominator's place. MQ upon QP. This is the using property of angle bisector in any triangle where bisector is given, otherwise not. Therefore, substitute that values. Mn where Mn 5 divided by Pn 7 is equal to MQ 2.5 divided by QP. You have to find the distance. This is given part. Now, by cross multiplication, you will get answer. Instead of that, I am writing here. By cross multiplication. By taking cross multiplication, what you have to find that must come to the left side. So, this cross we have to take at left side because why? QP you have to find or BQ. So, 5 into QP. This is cross multiplication. Is equal to 7 into 2.5, keep at right side. Therefore, what you have to find QP you have to find. So 7 into 2.5 is as it is. And this pi operating like after going right side division. Now this is the decimal point. First remove that decimal point. Therefore, QP is equal to 7. If you go one digit from left to right, then you will get 25. See, this is the decimal point. After going right side one digit, decimal point will remove. So, if in numerator's place one digit will move the decimal point, then in denominator place also we have to move one digit from left to right. But here decimal point is not there. So, any number is given, then decimal point we have to consider here after that number. So, for moving there is no number. So, what I told before that section, keep zeros. So, keep zeros. Put zeros on that number. How many you want that? Suppose one digit you have to move. So, here not many numbers to move. So, 1 0 I have taken. So, here is your decimal point. After going this right side one digit, after moving, you will get 50. So, without decimal you have to divide. Now 25, 15, 25 7. So 25 ones are 25 2. Therefore, QP is equal to 7 into 1, 7. Some students are writing in hurry. 7 into 1, not 7 into 1 writing. This is, take carefully. 7 into 1 is 7.5 because after division we got this question, this answer of this division is 1 upon 2. So 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 and 2 has it. 7 upon 2, this is not a final answer. You have to take in decimal because on scale we can't show 7 upon 2. That QP is equal to 2 1 2 3 2 3 6. 1 carry. Number is not there, so take decimal. 1 carry. After 1 take 0 to 5. So 3.5 is your answer. Therefore, QP is equal to 3.5. Here, units are not given, so not necessary to write unit. So we got the value of QP 3.5. Again, one time, if N2 is the angle bisector of angle MNP of angle MNP, then use property of angle bisector theorem. What theorem says? The ratio of that sides making this angle is equal to the ratio of corresponding remaining sides where that bisector intersects that. So, Mn upon Np. First take ratio of that side and then take this intersects made by this property, made by this angle bisector. So, Mq upon Qp. So, Mq upon Qp and this Mn upon Np. Now, fill the values, take cross multiplication, find the answer. If unit is there, then write unit. Otherwise, units you can write. UNITS. UNITS. Like this, so we can get into habit of that. Units. This is the way to the right answer. Now, example number 5. In triangle ABC, segment BD bisects angle ABC. If AB is equal to x, BC is equal to x plus 5, AD is equal to x minus 2, DC is equal to x plus 2, then find x. Now what is given? In triangle ABC, segment BD bisects angle ABC. Means there is a bisector. When who is bisecting angle? Bisector only. So angle bisector bisects the angle. So where it is in triangle ABC, BD is the bisector of angle ABC. BD is the bisector of angle ABC. So BD is the bisector. Bisecting this angle into equal parts. So here also we have to use property of angle bisector. Without this we can't show. So BD is the angle bisector. Then use property of angle bisector. The ratio of these sides is equal to the ratio of these intersects made by this property, made by this bisector. So AD upon BC. So this part and this part is numerator, this is denominator. So numerator divided by numerator and this intercepts numerator divided by denominator. That you know that is my method. Now writing solution how to write. Before that, this one to the a triangle ABC. Segment B bisects angle ABC. Therefore, by using opposite of angle bisector theorem. This is bisector theorem. AB upon BC. Taking the ratios of sides is equal to AB upon BC. Therefore, substitute that value. AB is what? X. BC is what? X plus 5. This is binomial, so put bracket. Is equal to AD is what? X minus 2. This is also binomial, put bracket. BC is what? X plus 2. Put bracket. This is given one. Always try to write reasons. What you are writing conclusions, write the reasons. What means that? Now again, you have to find the value of x. So take cross multiplication. X into x plus 2. And this cross take at right side. X plus 5 into x minus 2. This one is right. This cross take right side. This cross take left side. Here, this cross take taking right side and this right side, nothing will happen. You have to find only the value of x value. So don't worry. Now, in standard 7 or 8, 7 and 8, both standard. We have studied. This is monomial, this is binomial. How to do product of monomial and binomial. How to do product of binomial and binomial. That we know. Then also again, try to learn. This is first term, monomial. And this is binomial, this is first term, this is second term. So first multiplied by first. This is step number 1. And first multiplied by second, this is step number 2. So first of all, write product of signs and then product of numbers and then product of variables. So sequence is plus 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 nothing, not necessarily right. Product of plus is plus. If the numbers are not there here. So x into x what? X square. Now plus plus plus. First multiplied by second is what? X into 2. Means x2 not 2x is the product. X into x, x square, x into 2, x2. x2 is 2x. First write coefficient and then variable. This is the method. E is equal. Binomial multiplied by binomial. This is first term, this is second term, this is first term, this is second term. First multiplied by first, this is first step. First multiplied by second, this is second step. Now we will try to multiply. Plus plus becomes plus, x into x, x square. Plus minus becomes minus, x into 2, 2x. Now remember second term. How first term multiplied with both terms? Same way, second term multiplied by that both terms. So this is third step, this is fourth step. Second multiplied by first, this is third step. Second multiplied by second, this is fourth step. So second multiplied by first, plus plus, product is plus 5 into x, 5x. Plus minus, product is minus 5 into 2, 10. And product is finished. Product of monomial and binomial, product of binomial and binomial. Try to understand. There. Here remain x square plus 2x is equal to here x square. Now these are the same monomials. So we can add or subtract. So different sign we have to subtract and do bigger number sign. Here bigger number is 5, so plus sign is there. So plus 5x minus 2x is 3x. This 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus like this. Plus minus 10 keep adding. Again x square after operation of these two numbers you will get plus 3x and this minus 3x. Now x square both are same sign and same numbers. We can cancel if they are both sets of LHS and RHS. Now 2x is remaining and here plus 3x. After going left side minus 3x is equal to minus 3x. Again try to understand. We have to find the value of x. That keep in mind our target is this. Now we want x and this plus 2x keep adding at the left side of this equation. Now this we don't want at right. So plus 3x after going left side minus it will become. So minus 3x is equal to this minus 10 remains as it is. This not moved. So as it is. Now again operations. Same monomial we can add or subtract. Different sign we have to do subtraction. 3x minus 2x is what? X. and two bigger number sign is minus. E is equal to minus 10. Minus minus can cancel, therefore x is equal to 10. This is the value of variable x. See again one time. In triangle ABC, segment BD is the bisector of angle ABC. So use property of angle bisector theorem. So this side, taking the ratio of sides at the left side, area upon BC is equal to area upon BC according to property of angle bisector theorem. Now substitute that value. Values are not in numbers because why? You have to find the alphabet x, means value of x. So they are given not in the numbers, given in variables and binomials, so and so. Then also we have substitute their values, put reason given. Taking cross multiplication, you will get this simplification and you will get simple x, this value of x. This is about solution. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning.